A nearly forgotten name which never saw its full potential except maybe in NASCAR. Let's check it out. Hi. Today we're unboxing a 2000 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS. The model is a 1/18 scale, manufactured by Sunstar, the American Collectibles series. The item number is 1987 and the color is torch red. Let's dig in. Okay, so right off the bat, I have to mention that I'm not a big fan of Sunstar. This Monte Carlo was my third Sunstar model in the past 5 years, and each one of them had at least one broken part. Just like the right headlight cover here, which I found when I was unboxing. Maybe I'm just lucky. The Monte Carlo was introduced in 1970 and discontinued in 2007. It was a sporty two-door luxury car which inherited looks from other GM cars at the time. Here are some pictures from the 6th and last Monte Carlo generation. The SS variant of the 6th Monte Carlo generation was powered by a naturally aspirated 3.8-liter V6 engine. Headlight cover is still broken, of course. Somehow I can't stop looking at this crooked emblem. And the engine cover is, surprise, surprise, broken as well. Chevrolet introduced a supercharged version of the same engine in 2004, one which retained the SS moniker, while this one was relabeled as LT. It looks like this specific item sat in storage for a long time. The interior isn't too bad. I can see some good details, to be honest. This was my ingenious way of opening the passenger door. I kinda like the interior more than I like the exterior. Anyway, here's the usual photo shoot. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I haven't had the best experience with Sunstar, but maybe that's just me. They don't make high-end diecast, but they do have many makes and models which aren't made by anyone else. At least not to my knowledge. To me, this is an average model, but it does kind of have some decent value. At the end of the day, to each their own. And that's that.